Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today we're going to create this look. And if you're interested to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Starting off with the primer, I'm loving this Quick FX No Shine Mattifier. And for my foundation, I mixed two foundation, which is the Manhattan and Maybelline 330 from the outside perimeter of my face. And on the center of my face, I use the Manhattan All Day foundation and just blending everything with this flat kabuki brush, which is Sigma. Lately, I'm really loving this Sigma kabuki brush, and I felt it's a must-have for me right now. I'm going on a lightweight base right now, and because as you can see my skin is really breaking out. I don't know. I guess this is a hormonal changes because red days. So yes, blending, and after blending the flat kabuki brush, I just finish it off with a beauty sponge so that I will be able to press in the foundation into my face. And Maybelline Concealer to lighten up the inner side of my face, especially the eye bags area, the nose bridge, and my chin, and as well as a little bit on my forehead. And blend it with a beauty sponge. Blend, blend, blend as always. And setting everything with a powder. I didn't bake today because I'm going on a light base. Yes, after blending everything and setting everything, I proceeded with my brows. By the way, I use the Nichido Creamy Glow on setting up my base, and I use the Careline Cosmetics under the shade of taupe for as an eyebrow definer. And as you can see, this is my simple brow technique. For my eye base, again, I use the yellow concealer in order for my eyeshadow to pop up, and I just blend it using my hands and using this super white highlighter all over my lid until my brow bone, as in super, just patting all the white or the highlighter onto my whole lids and lower eyelids as well. And that's for my eyeshadow. And then using this white eyeliner from Ever Belena on my waterline just to intensify the whiteness of our eyes. And here's our finished eyeshadow. I just placed on this Bubble Boom false lashes. And for my contour, I used the LA Girl Contour Palette and the Sue shade, and just putting it on the outside perimeter of my face. And always blend so that to avoid harsh lines, and using this color as my contour powder on my nose. By the way, guys, how are you? And I hope you're all fine. Please stay safe. And for my blush on, I used the Ever Belena Trio palette for my blush, and then putting blush on as well on my nose. And highlighter on the Cupid's bow and the highest point of my nose, and as well as my cheekbones to make it look more cute. And using a brown lip liner on my lips, and as well as I'm also using the NYX lipstick, red lipstick. I forgot the shade. Sorry, I will place it in the description box. And using this black matte lipstick on the inner part of my lips for a gradient effect. And this is the finished look. Could you be the one? So that's it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for being here, and I hope that everything will be fine. And see you soon on my next video. Bye bye for now. Saranghe.